And moving on, Kenya Vehicle Manufacturers has resumed the local assembly of Volkswagen vehicles. KVM General Manager Moses Abiero said the resumption of operations will strengthen the local vehicle manufacturing and generate employment opportunity for the jobless youth in the country.
Resumed local assembly of Touareg, Tiguan and T-Cross under Level 2 completely knocked down arrangement. KVM General Manager Moses Abiero says the resumption of the Volkswagen assembly line is a deliberate investment strategy that focuses on key strategic investment areas, including infrastructure development, multi-brand assembly to diversify mobility solutions, and the upskilling of technical and skilled workers to be able to meet the quality demands required for vehicles that serve the local market.
We train our workforce and upskill their knowledge in terms of vehicle assembly so that we are able to produce vehicles that are accepted quality-wise and vehicles that can actually serve our local market.
KVM says it is planning to add additional car brand in its assembly lines to tap into Kenya's and regional car market. The assembler has been encouraged to consider partnerships with key global car brands to expand its operations and generate additional job opportunities.
We transfer the technology and skills to our local people so that they're able to produce vehicles that have the same quality as the vehicles that are assembled abroad.